Welcome back to Guess the Word, where your emoji decoding skills are put to the test. Today, we're diving into the magical world of Christmas movies. We have 20 merry mysteries waiting for you. You'll get 10 seconds to guess each movie based on the emoji shown. Keep track of your score and see if you can guess them all. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to join our holiday fun all year round. Let's get started, alright? Here's the first set of emojis. What do you think it is? Time's up. The answer is Home Alone. Alright, here's the next set. What do you think it is? Time's up. The answer is Elf. Next idea. What do these emojis depict? Time's up. The answer is the Grinch. Next quiz. Time's up. The answer is the Santa Claus. Try to guess the name of this one. Time's up. The answer is Bad Santa. Next quiz. What do these emojis represent? Time's up. The answer is the Polar Express. Another idea. Can you guess this word? Time's up. The answer is Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Okay, next questions. Take a guess. Time's up. The answer is Frozen. What do you think about this one? Time's up. The answer is A Christmas Story. Next idea. What do you think this question is referring to? Time's up. The answer is The Muppet Christmas Carol. This is easy. Guess what this is. Time's up. The answer is The Nightmare Before Christmas. What your guess for this one? Time's up. The answer is Office Christmas Party. Any idea? Can you tell what this is? Time's up. The answer is Miracle on 34th Street. Next up, what delectable delight could these emojis be hinting at? Time's up. The answer is White Christmas. Alright, here's the next set. What do you think it is? Time's up. The answer is Frosty the Snowman. What about this? Time's up. The answer is Daddy's Home 2. Alright, next quiz. What word could these symbols possibly represent? Time's up. The answer is A Christmas Carol. Continue. What is the answer to this riddle? Time's up. The answer is Black Christmas. Okay. Keep going. Time's up. The answer is Mickey Christmas Carol. Last question, can you complete the challenge? Time's up. The answer is 4 Christmases. Ho ho, hope you had a jolly good time guessing those Christmas movies. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments below. If you loved this festive challenge, give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and spread the holiday cheer. Remember to subscribe to Guess the Word for more guessing games. Until next time, keep the Christmas spirit alive, and may your days be merry and bright.